I am so excited today to show you this meat thermometer. This thing is so cool. So let me show you everything that comes in the box. We'll take a close-up look at the screen and then we will try it out. So in the box itself comes nicely packaged. So honestly would make a great gift for a cook in your life. I love it. So you've got the box. You also get a little brochure, the charging cable, because it's rechargeable, and a storage bag. And this is by Allkim, this thermometer. So let's take a close-up look. All right, so to turn this on, you're simply just going to pull out the probe and then it goes on. So as you'll see here, we've got, it's just currently showing that it's like around 79 degrees in my kitchen, but I am right by my oven. So on the screen here, you've got cooking and settings. Let me show you the settings first. This gives you the option to do Fahrenheit or Celsius, language, English or Spanish, however bright you want this. And then also if you want to reset device. So there is an option to save up to 6 different custom temperatures. If you want to remove those, you can hit that reset device. But let's go ahead and look at cooking. And you've got all sorts of options. Here's how you do your custom. So if you want to, set a steak or something and you want to do, 100 degrees. However you want to set it is what you can do to set that. So really easy to do. But you do have the options here of, fish, cow, chicken, lamb, ostrich, duck. But we are doing a pork steak tenderloin today. So I'm going to do pork. I'm going to go ahead and click OK. I want my pork to be fall apart. So this is the temp we're going for. All right, so as a reminder, we have it on the fall apart setting there. We're going to go ahead and stick the thermometer in here. Hit start. And instant. Look at how quick it grabbed the temperature there. So we can click hold, and then it's going to stay right at that temp and let us know where we're at. And now that I'm all done, I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off. This whole unit here is waterproof, but you do not want to submerge it in water. You can just wipe it clean with a cloth if you get anything like, barbecue sauce or something on it. But really easy, simple to use. And I just love the options with setting, the different meats. Really a great, great product. Highly recommend.